what you want me to say. I got that extra money on the runway. No heart all the way up into outer space.
What's up, guys? So in this video today we're going to be going over getting this thing pulled out. The video is a little splotchy and put together, but did the best I can because I had to break it up in a bunch of parts today. My helping hands were not so readily available, but we made it work. We did get this thing out. Basically the goal here is completely build this thing right the way it was meant to be from the beginning. People have ruined that for us, but I'm in the know-how now. I'm pretty handy when it comes to working on cars nowadays. We're going to be taking a trip here to Florida and potentially picking up a new short block for this thing. We're going to end up holding on to this block that we have down here and either keep it as a spare, or maybe one day put it in that thing. Who knows? We'll see. Only time will tell. Thank you guys for tuning in. Here comes the action. Thanks, guys. All right. Well, so today we are working on pulling everything out, aka this whole section right here, so we can get that out. Transmission is gonna stay. I ain't gonna bother pulling that out, but that bad boy needs to come out so we can send it off to get it fully built. So fully built bottom end, custom CNC'd head, and big boy turbo, because that is not enough turbo. This is our other friend that's going to be in these videos. This is Dakota.
Hello.
Yeah, so we're gonna be working on getting he's working on getting the headlights out right now. And then all this has to come out, crash bar, all that stuff. Intercooler, fan, radiator, the whole nine. If you're not familiar with cars, this is it's not too bad, but it can be kind of tricky for people that don't know what they're doing. Thankfully, me and this guy work together at the dealership, so this ain't nothing new for us. Oh yeah, he's already getting it out. It is also very cold, so I apologize if we sound like crap on video, but this cold makes the nose do things you don't like it to do.
Mazda with clips.
So yeah, we'll be back with some more big things as they come off. I'm gonna get a little far into this before we continue talking about anything else, and if we run into any issues, we'll document that. So yeah, here we go. Alright, so we're about to take this front bash bar cross member out. That way we can just whee the motor.
I gotta change my load out of here for a minute.
Oh yeah! We did it!
Good. Well, that's that.
Look at that!
Cool.
Alright, well, here we go. That's all off. Now it's just a matter of pulling all this junk off and yeah, yanking the motor out.
Like I said, it don't even do that, man.
All right, we're here. We're at our final stopping point of the day. Come here. So as you can see, I've already cracked the separation of the engine block and the transmission. We are getting there. I'm just making sure my jack stand will hold the transmission without it sagging too much. The motor mount or the trans mount is still in place, so that way I don't got to worry about it sagging too bad, but that's there just to be safe. And then I've got that much space to wiggle it off the trans. And yeah, so let's do this thing. There's like no space. Fuck.
Maybe that's why they say the trans comes out too.
Yeah, that's so fucking stupid to have to do that. You should be able to pull the motor out. All right, so we're officially out. Stopped filming for a second because I thought I was going to be in a little bit of a situation, but I managed to wiggle her out. The guide pin for the timing chain ended up catching right there, and I ran out of space. What I ended up doing was lowering it just a little bit and then kind of shimmying it out, making sure to miss the sprocket and all that. Yeah, we're completely out.
Go high all the way up into outer space. My body